time complexity here. So time complexity is order of n square. And what is the space complexity here? Order of 1. And this is our brute force approach. Approach 1, brute force. Okay. So now we will optimize a little and we will use sorting. And that will be our approach 2. Okay, so let's understand how we will do it. So suppose we have an array -1, -2, -3, 1, 2 and 3. So here the length of the array is 5. So we will search from, so 1, 2, here we will not search. What we will do, we will sort it. Then what it will become? -3, -2, -1, then 1 and 3. Okay. Now what we will do here, we will find the index where the element is 1. Okay. So here indexes are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got the index is 3. Okay. Now we will again iterate it from the -1, 1, 3. Now we will start iteration from this number only, from index +1. So this is our index +1. Okay. And we will check whether it is, this number is equal to 1 or not. If it is not equal to, so we will put, we found the number 1, and if it is not equal to previous number, then what we should expect? We should expect this number should be 3. So answer will be 3 only. So the answer will be 2. We expect that this number should be 2. So the answer will be 2. Okay. So now let's code it. Okay. So now first we will find the index. Let's put it -1. For int I equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. Okay, if nums of I is equal to 1, so we got the index. We got the index, and we will break from it. Suppose 1 is not there only. So if index is still equal to -1, it means 1 is the missing number, so we will return it. Okay. Now what I will do, I will start searching from index +1 till n+1. Okay. So we got the first number, so we will write it that we got the first number. Okay. So here, if nums of I minus 1 is not equal to current element, which is nums of I, then num plus plus. It means we are expecting one greater element from the previous one. Okay. So we'll write if nums of I is not equal to nums, it means that answer will be nums only, that is we are expecting, and we will break it. Here we will return answer. Now let's run it. We got lots of compile error. Nums I minus 1 is not equal to nums plus plus. What it is saying? Nums plus, okay, so here it should be nums, okay, here it should be s. I need to remove it. Yeah, now I will run it again. Answer, okay, I have not created answer variable. Okay, int answer equal to 0. So here we will run I till n only, because array's length is n. So here we need to find, suppose all the elements are there from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then it will not go into these loops. Okay, it will go in this loop, but it will not go into this loop, because we will get always the expected number, right number in the right index. So we need to write a few lines like, if answer is still 0, then return a of n minus 1 plus 1. Now run it again. Okay, it's not a, it is nums. It is nums. Okay, now I will submit it. For, okay, we have not sorted only here. We need to sort also, na? Arrays dot sort nums. Now again we will submit it. Yeah, so it got accepted. And what is the time complexity here? Order of nlogn, and space complexity is order of 1. But the question was expecting us to solve in order of n, but we did in order of nlogn, and still it is getting accepted. Why? Let's understand it. Okay, suppose the length of the array, suppose the length of the array is 10 to the power 5. Okay, and our TC is, we got n log n. Let's find what is log n here. So log into 10 to the power 5, it is 5 only. So 10 to the power 5 into 5, it's a very small number. So it is, so this is our n. So n into 5, it means 5n. This is 5n only. It's not, so it's, the time complexity is not increasing much. It is only 5 times. So it's a constant. We can remove it also, and it is similar to n. So time complexity, we can say it is n here. That's why the code is running. And the time complexity is still order of n log n.